Hello students, welcome to woodworking. Here we are taking a look at the radial arm saw again. In the last episode we learned some of the parts of the machine and talked about how this machine is used for cross-cutting boards to length. When using the radial arm saw, stock must be held firmly on the table and against the fence. When making cuts on the radial arm saw, make sure the blade is behind the fence before every cut and returned to behind the fence after each cut. Your hands should always be 6 inches away from the blade on the radial arm saw. We have some orange tape here to help remind you where your hands should be. When using the radial arm saw, position your body on one side of the saw or the other. Finally, never cross your arms while using the radial arm saw. This puts you in danger of pulling the blade towards your body parts. Additional concerns to think about when using the radial arm saw is if you're going to cut into a knot, the areas where tree branches were growing out of the trunk of a tree has unusual grain. It's generally harder there, and sometimes the saw will try to climb a little bit as you cut, which can be a little bit of a challenge. I try to, whenever possible, work around knots instead of cutting through them.